This is a quick way to get more lint out of your dryer, your WKEX200HGA. This is a combination washer dryer unit. What you want to do is you want to open the door and take out your lint tray. And the problem with these dryer units is the lint tray obviously fills up, but there's a gap that goes pretty deep inside. The lint buildup is not only a fire hazard, but it also makes your dryer less efficient. If you have a portable vacuum, you can buy one of these portable hoses and just stick the hose deep inside to the lint tray, and you can really get a lot of that lint out. I'll leave the link in the description below for that cheap unit that you can get to just attach to any sort of vacuum.